Ever wondered how pros time their buys and sells? Today, I'm going to unlock the secrets of support and resistance, two pillars of trading that can supercharge your strategy. Let's dive in. I'm going to tell you what is support, what is resistance, and how can we trade them, and how can we profit of this wonderful strategy that I strongly believe every trader should know how to trade and even master this strategy, because it's valuable, it's applicable in mostly all the stock markets and all the stocks. Even crypto does have support and levels, and if you master this strategy, you can make a lot of money trading this strategy. So let's dive in. Pretty simple explanation of what strategy, what support and resistance is. Imagine a stock that trying to hit 90 but never goes above it. That's a resistance. Imagine a stock that hits 75 and each time it hits that level, it bounces off. That level. That's a support. That's a support. Buyers stepping in, seeing value, and the stock goes into the upside. When the stock reaches resistance, conversely, if the stock struggle to pass the $90 price mark, sellers dominate, locking in profit, and the stock goes down from that level. That's a resistance. And let me give you a quick look into this chart. This is Mirage Homes Corporation, and I draw support and resistance in very simple and explanative way. For example, we are here, the stock reached $90, then it dropped, hit the same level again, then it dropped. That's a resistance. We can draw a line to be noted about this resistance level. Let's move on into the future. Here again, it hit the same level, $90 mark, and it dropped. Conversely, the support is exactly the opposite. We are here, hit the price reached the $75, then it cannot break that level and never went below it. That's a support. The stock goes to the upside. Again, when it dropped to the 75, it bounces off this level, and look, we didn't even move in the future. We don't know what happens. Let's see what happens. It struggling near the 90, but it didn't drop. It shows some kind of support, of strength, and when the stock hit the support or resistance and closes near that level for a couple of days, that's a sign of early breakout or early break for the support. So as we can see here, when the stock slept or stayed around this level, it finally broke the level. And guess what? The previous resistance level turned to a support. Whenever it's broken, it will turn to a support, as we are seeing here. Here, it could not pass. It closed above, but again, it went below the 90, and the sellers clearly they visualize what's coming next, and they started to sell, and the stock dropped to the 75 again support. Again, it went up, broke the resistance here, went above it, and we are seeing here a new resistance level into the 105 price mark. As I stated before, when the stock breaks the support, the resistance level, it becomes support again. As we can see here, when it break it, went above it almost like 20%. Then it goes back to the 90. Now it's becoming support. Check this out. After it was a resistance in the previous history. Now it's becoming a support. Let's move on a bit into the future. As we can see here, the same level. Check this out. I draw this line. I didn't show this bounce, but I draw the line because this is what was a clear resistance, and it could not pass over the 05 here, so it dropped again. Check this out. The $90 price mark. It's holding the stock. Here it's holding the stock again. It went above. It went down. But as we can see here, the levels that we draw still valuable, still applicable, and it will work for a pretty long time. As you can see here, the stock bounced off the 75, the same level that it bounced so many times in the previous history. As you can see here, here support, here support, here support, but it bounced a little bit higher than the 75 because it was stronger in the previous up wave. Now it's bouncing over the 75 with a couple of dollars, maybe to almost $1.5. And you can see here it bounced off the 75. It's holding the level, bounced up, goes back again, and we are here 25 of February as I am recording this video right now. So let's do a recap to what I said in this video. Support and resistance are very, very important strategy and very profitable strategy. You can use this strategy to greatly time your trades. If you traded here, probably you locked in more than 15% in profit in this wave. If you traded here, you locked in more than 15%. If you are a short seller, you will expect that stock will goes down from this point. You can short it once you see the drop. You can short it in the way down. Also, you can short it from here. Once you see a resistance, you can short it here, but don't forget, always play your strategy with a small percentage of portfolio, 1%, 2%, until you master your strategy and your trades, because we don't want to blow up our portfolio, because stock market is a very dangerous place. But so please play it wisely, play it safely, so you can stay in the game as long as it's possible, and you will master the strategy and you will get better within time. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more educational content. I'm providing valuable information that you can make money off with for free. So please support my channel, subscribe, like, share it to your friends, and stay around for more good educational content in the future. Bye-bye. That was Khalaf. Thank you very much, and looking forward to see you in another video.